Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send entire folders via Gmail. If you've ever found yourself needing to share a large batch of files with someone, you'll know that attaching each file individually can be a daunting and time-consuming task. Fortunately, there's a simple way to streamline this process, and today, I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing you need to do is to compress the folder you want to send. What this essentially does is transform your folder into a single, convenient file that can be easily attached to an email. To start, locate the folder you want to send on your computer. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder, and from the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Send to, and then select Compressed Zipped Folder. This will create a new file in the same location as your original folder, and it will have a little zipper icon on it. That's your newly compressed file. Next, it's time to move over to Gmail. Open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on the Compose button to start a new email. In the new message window, you'll see a small paperclip icon that's the Attach Files button. Click on this button, and it will prompt a File Explorer window to pop up. Here, navigate to the location where you saved your compressed folder. Select it and click Open. You'll see it start to upload and attach to your email. Now, let's make sure your email is ready to go. Type in the recipient's email address in the To field, and don't forget to add a subject to your email for clarity. Something like Files Enclosed or Requested Documents might be appropriate. In the body of your email, you might want to include a brief message letting the recipient know what the files are, especially if you're sending them for business or professional purposes. Remember, a little context can go a long way in ensuring your recipient knows exactly what they're receiving and why. Once everything looks good, you're ready for the final step, sending the email. Just hit the Send button and your email, complete with the entire folder of files, will be on its way. Depending on the size of your folder, it might take a few moments to send, so be patient, and you'll receive a confirmation once it has been sent successfully. And that's it. You've just learned how to send entire folders via Gmail, easily and efficiently. Compressing folders not only saves you time but also ensures that your files are organized when they reach their destination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful or subscribe for more handy tech tips.